Hello ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Danadeo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your NECO result online. It is fast and it is very easy. So to get started, you have to come to this particular website, results.neco.gov.ng. So I'll put this link to this website below in the comment section or in the description button. You can see there, click on it and you'll be brought straight to this particular interface. Now here, all you have to do is very simple. Now before we get started fully, I would advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're ready to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. So let us get started. Just have to scroll down here, and you see the button here which is create an account. So let me show you this button, this create an account. So when you're on this interface, just click on create an account. You're going to create an account. So let me quickly create my own account. So to create an account is simple. You put your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email, your phone number, you put your password, and you're going to click on create account. So let me do that very fast. Alright, so I successfully created my own account. Just click on create account. When you have put in all these details, click on create account and you receive this account created successfully. We have sent an email to that particular email you used to create an account. So they'll send like kind of email verification to that. So now you can say use your email and password to log in. Alright, so just click on login. Okay, I don't think they're sending email verification, but you can use that your email and you put a password to log in. So let me just log in here. So my email and password has been in this successfully. So I'll click on login and it's going to go straight to my dashboard. So this is my NECO dashboard. So all you have to do is to just follow me through. You have to purchase a token, and the token is I think it's very small amount of money. It's not up to 900 naira basically. Just come here, you see this place here, purchase token. Just come here and click on purchase token. So it's this token that you're going to use to check your account. So you can purchase more. We can purchase more than one token if you want to. So I'm just going to purchase one token and I'm going to click on proceed. So when I click on proceed, you can see the amount that I'm going to use to purchase my token is actually 675 naira. So this is the amount of money you're going to use to check your NECO result online. It is easy, guys. So just come here and click on this button here. So there's a button here you're going to tick mark. Just tick mark it. Then come here and click on make payment. So the payment you're going to make is going to be through remitter, and it is easy. So just come here. Then when you scroll down here, you can see the total amount of money you're going to make to check your results is 386 naira 25 kobo. So you just have to scroll down here, and when you are straight, don't come here. You see this submit button. Click on this submit button. So you just click on the submit button, and this is going to take you to the interface of Remitter where you can make your purchase. So I'm not going to make any purchase because I'm not using to check NECO result. I'm just going to show you how you can actually make your own purchase. So just put your card details and click on buy. So when you buy, you actually pay 836 naira. That's approximately 840 naira to check your NECO result online. So when you are successfully paid, you'll be taken back to Remitter will send you a receipt, and you'll be taken back to this interface here, to this dashboard here. Then you just come to this place here, which is view results. So after I've purchased your result token from this place, after I've purchased it for 340 naira, then you come here and click on view result. So when you click on view result, it will bring you to this place here, and here you can actually view your result if you want to. Okay, let's click on check result. So when you click on view results and you come to a dashboard, they just come here. Okay, this is where I clicked on. In case you missed that, I click on this place and then I click on check result. So here you're going to put your token. Now the token that you purchase, because after I've paid with the remitter, you get access to your token. So you're going to put the token. Token can be any number. You just see there, and you put your exam number that you used to register. Let's say this is my exam number, for example. Just put in your exam number. Then you select the year. If it's 2023, select 2023. Then you select the examination type. So if it's SSC internal is NECO SSE. SSC external is NECO GC. So if it's internal, which is SSC, if it's external, which is NECO GC. So let me say it's NECO GC, for example. I click on that. Then you're going to click on check results. So after I've done that, all you have to do is just to come here and click on this check results. So let me show you that. Okay, let me quickly show you that. Excuse me, please. So when you're done, just come here and click on this check results. So when you click on check result, your result is going to load up for you. So guys, I believe that this video is very helpful for you on how you can check your NECO results. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you so much. I'm Danadeo. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.